Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Just a quick update on this one. Well, I say update, you don't really know what I'm doing. I've been growing a lawn from scratch, and we're at the point now where it's coming up to its second or third mow, something like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to film me cutting it and then spreading some fertiliser on. Let me show you what fertiliser I've got. Now I've got this stuff here, this Verve pre-turf. It says pre, and it says in the instructions around the back here somewhere how to use. Ensure you actually mix it into the dirt before you sow the seed. Now I've heard conflicting things, so I did a little bit of both. I put some of this in with the dirt before I actually sowed the seed, and yeah, it seems to have worked alright, but I've heard that this works as a fertiliser that you sprinkle over the top, so I'm going to do that, and I'm going to give it a week or two and see what happens. So if we have a quick look around, we can see the grass I've cut is actually, it's not bad. It is quite soft and spongy, but you can see that there's definite yellow patches. Like there's one just there, there's a big yellow stripe up there, that sort of thing. So yeah, time to fertilise and see if we can get rid of those. Okay then, so as you can see, I've cut the whole lot. I've cut all the grass. It's you can see here what I mean, whereby we've got some yellow streaks and we've got some green streaks, and it's sort of, it's a repeating pattern all the way around. So we've had a look on this one, we've cut that one, that's where the car parks, not really bothered about that. Let's fertilise this one. As you can see, I'm just literally just getting a scoopful and sprinkling it around. Okay, so as you can see now, there's a gentle sprinkling all around of all this white fertiliser stuff. What I'm going to do now is give it a water and we'll leave it for a week. Okay, well, that's that done. Let's leave it for a week or two and let's see what happens. I'll update you. If you like that, you know the drill by now. Like the page, like the video, share it, comment, all that sort of good stuff, and I'll see you in the next one.